They do handle the shipping, but they also take a larger commission. I think it's about 40% they take, so it's a larger, they will promote your shop more. So they'll promote your shop more, and you know, during the day, you can go ahead and just look at the video later, or look at the posts that we have later. Oh, that's really pretty, honey.
You like it?
Yes, I love it.
This is a big turtle.
Wow, big turtle?
Yeah, it's got purple red.
Oh,
you
that's
like
so
it?
cool. Yeah, I love it. So that's basically what our group is about. Hi, honey. Oh, where did you get this? Oh, no.
In the table.
Okay. Members are selling. It's not like, you know, nobody's selling anything. We're not about hype. We're about facts and experience and proof. So if you learn the information and you hustle and you utilize what we give you, you will succeed. You will sell on Etsy. You will sell off of Etsy. You know, you're still start selling direct through your business profiles and stuff like that. So there's a lot of avenues you can take. You can sell on IG. You can create your own Instagram shop. Your Facebook business page, they've made it so that you can have a direct shop in there to link products to from Instagram and Facebook. So there's a ton of things that are popping up that are new that you may not realize you can utilize on social media, as far as YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter. Now there's TikTok. There's, you know, Facebook page, your Instagram business page. It's a lot of stuff that constantly comes up. So prices too, because it hurts you. It hurts your it hurts everybody. If the prices are like that, it's, you know, and it creates a false expectation with customers that our work is only worth that much. You want to be the one setting the standards. You don't want to be the one following, you know, someone else. You want to be trendy furniture, modern furniture. There's a huge market that there's room enough for everybody, you know? I don't see anyone as my competition, because there's room for everyone to sell and succeed and make money. It doesn't hurt me if you sell something. You're not, you know, I'm not competing with you. You're not competing with me. Everyone has something unique to offer, and you just have to tap into it and optimize what you have. And it will pay off. Like, your business will start working for you, you know, in a year or two after you invest all of this. You have to invest time and money into your business for it to grow. That's just, you know, how it is. If you don't invest any time and money, it's just going to be stagnant and you're not going to get anywhere. So it's something that we're both really passionate about, helping. And, you know, in the styling and staging group, we see a lot. We see the struggles that people go through, you know, the questions that come or doesn't work. All kinds of stuff sell on Etsy, even restored furniture. Etsy, there's a need for every single thing. Even if you think your work is not up to par, that's not true. Like, just look on Etsy, search painted furniture. You'll see all kinds of photos, all kinds of styles. You should be the ones, you know, talking about it, because it's like reviews, you know. You're most likely, people are going to complain before they say something good. More likely going to complain. They're more likely going to give you a review that's, you know, about complaining, because rather than something that they love and they have no issues with. All right, you guys, it's your nap times. So that's basically what I'm trying to explain. I hope I didn't confuse you too much. If you have any questions, just comment, and Roz and I will get back to you. The link is right there on there, so if you want to check it out and see, you know, what we are giving you is a lot. So I hope you believe that it's out of good intentions, and we're just trying to help you build your business so that you can, you know, make this your passion can be your life. It's happened to me, and I'm super grateful. And so, you know, I believe that you truly can be a furniture seller and make a good living. It just takes work, hustle. You know, I'm not going to lie, it takes a lot of hard work, but it's worth it. And it feels good, you know, selling your furniture for high prices and just getting that validation is pretty great. So just think about, you know, trying something different, something new. Give it a shot, you know. So check out our workshop if you want, and I hope this explains some things. It's too broad for me to just create a post about it because there's so much to learn and so much information in the group. It's just impossible to just, you know, create one blog about it and be done. It's a lot to absorb and take in. So so that's why we're you know, we're putting this together and doing this is to help all of you, and also to grow ourselves, because we learn from you too. So we're constantly learning from our members as well, learning things that we didn't know before too. It's kind of a supportive community in there. Everyone's super positive, supporting each other, you know, furniture sellers supporting other furniture sellers. It's a support group as well. So there's a lot of things that is offered in there. And if you want, just, you know, check it out. And if it's not for you, then yeah, nothing wrong with that, you know. But I definitely feel like there's a need for this, and I'm hoping it will help a lot of people. I'm already seeing it help people, and that's really gratifying for it to, you know, be working like that. Well, it's their nap time. I gotta go, but honey, your butt's showing. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope it answers some of your